Well, there it is. A guitar that I built 27 years ago for a local client. It changed hands a couple of times and then ended up, my younger brother Art bought it. So I'm just bringing it in for kind of final tweaking. It's interesting to look at it all these years later. Maple, cherry, and walnut. I actually felled these trees and I bought a log of this big leaf curly maple. It's got Seymour Duncan mini humbuckers. I just realized I made black walnut pickup rings. A beautiful Godo wraparound bridge. I love the design on these bridges. You know, looking at it all these years later, it's still super stable. Gold Grover Imperials on the headstock. And I've just made a new compensated nut. I wasn't doing those compensated nuts 27 years ago. I am going to flick through the pickups and kind of let you hear this thing, but I will do a kind of round robin of chords, the same chord in various positions on the neck, just to verify the accuracy of the intonation. It's a tenon and mortise joint. He's just looking at all those laminations. Well, it certainly stood the test of time. Nothing's budged. In this last 27 years, it's like the day I made it. Super stable. At that time, obviously, I was influenced by Paul Reed Smith. I did the little soaring bird inlays. So we'll just go alphabetically. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. You can hear it, it's in tune. So while I've got it on a clean sound through my Boss ME25, so let me go through the pickups. So this is the Seymorized Mini Humbucker neck pickup. And this is the same pickup, I believe that's humbucker. And that's series parallel. So now we'll move to both pickups. It's just master volume, master tone, very simple, like a telly. There's both pickups wide open. Okay, bridge pickup. Trying to remember, like 27 years ago. So this mini switch actually puts the two pickups in or out of phase with each other things. So you've basically got either series parallel or humbucking. So I think that's the humbucking. that's it. Pretty simple design, really. Record this minor blues thing. Let that play. Okay, so this is bridge pickup, double coil. Series parallel.